We'll guide you through how to clean AppData folder Windows 11. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing to do is turn on your device and wait for the system to load completely before starting the process. After the device has fully loaded, go to the taskbar located at the bottom of the screen. From the taskbar, left-click the Windows button to open the Windows menu on your desktop. A Windows menu will appear with many different options available inside it. From the menu, select File Explorer to open your file browser and access the folders stored on your computer. Inside File Explorer, go to Drive C by left-clicking it once to open the main storage drive. After opening Drive C, look for the user folder and open it by left-clicking it. Inside the user folder, go to your device folder, which may have a name such as Lenovo depending on the device being used. After opening your device folder, turn on Hidden Items from the View option at the top of File Explorer so hidden folders can become visible. Once Hidden Items is turned on, go and find the folder named AppData inside your device folder. After you find the AppData folder, left-click it once to open it up and access its contents. Inside the AppData folder, scroll down until you find the temp folder among the available folders shown on the screen. Left-click the temp folder to open it and view the temporary files stored inside it. After opening the temp folder, a temporary folder inside AppData will appear, showing the files that can be deleted from the system. Select all the data inside the temp folder so everything becomes highlighted and ready for removal. After selecting all the files, right-click the selected data to open another menu with more options. Inside the menu that appears, press Delete on the right side to remove the selected temporary files from the folder. Once you press Delete, wait until the delete process is fully complete before closing the folder or continuing to another task. Following these steps carefully will help you clean the AppData temp folder in Windows 11 using File Explorer. The temporary files stored inside the temp folder are usually not needed anymore and can be removed through this process.